There's something magical about the hunt. That moment when a faint beep turns into a real discovery. Whether you're searching for lost coins, ancient relics, or buried treasure at the beach, the right metal detector can turn any day outdoors into an adventure. So today we're counting down the best metal detectors for every kind of explorer, from beginners to serious treasure hunters, and helping you find the one that fits your journey. Number 6. National Geographic Starter Metal Detector. If you've got a young explorer ready to dig into adventure, the National Geographic Starter Metal Detector is the perfect place to start. Designed for kids ages 3 to 12, it's lightweight, simple to use, and surprisingly capable, turning any backyard or beach trip into a real treasure hunt. Its design is compact and comfortable, built for smaller hands but sturdy enough for outdoor play. Controls are intuitive, and the adjustable stem makes it easy to grow with your child. Despite its playful look, it can detect coins, jewelry, and even small bits of gold, offering a genuine discovery experience without overwhelming beginners. What really makes it stand out is the interactive manual that comes with it. Packed with illustrations, fun facts, and tips on metal detecting techniques, it turns learning into part of the adventure. There's even a mini journal for logging every find, making it as educational as it is exciting. At just around $50, it's an affordable, durable, and engaging choice for curious young minds. The perfect way to spark a lifelong love of discovery. Number 5. SunPow Metal Detector. For those who want a reliable metal detector without spending a fortune, the SunPow Metal Detector strikes the perfect balance between value and performance. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and comes ready to go with thoughtful extras like headphones, a digging shovel, and a sling-style carrying case. Even 2 9-volt batteries are included, so you can start exploring right away. Setup is quick and beginner-friendly. The adjustable armrest and telescopic shaft make it comfortable for users of different heights, and the simple display is easy to read even in bright light. With 5 search modes, including jewelry and all metal, it's versatile enough to handle everything from beach hunts to backyard exploration. Its 10-inch waterproof search coil adds another layer of convenience, letting you search along shorelines and shallow water without worry. The SunPow isn't built for deep gold detection, but it excels at finding coins, relics, and other metals with impressive accuracy for its price. It's ideal for hobbyists, families, or anyone curious about treasure hunting who doesn't want to invest in pro gear just yet. Affordable, sturdy, and packed with accessories, the SunPow Metal Detector makes discovering hidden treasures both fun and accessible. A great entry point into the world of metal detecting. Number 4. Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4 Metal Detector. Sometimes simplicity is what makes a tool great, and the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4 proves exactly that. Lightweight, durable, and impressively intuitive, it's a favorite among beginners and even seasoned detectorists who value reliability over fancy extras. This analog-style detector may not have a digital screen or modern presets, but its 3 detection modes and automatic ground balance make it surprisingly powerful. It filters out unwanted signals, helping you focus on real finds like coins, relics, and small pieces of jewelry. The waterproof search coil also means you can take it from dry land to shallow water without missing a beat. Its design is simple yet functional, comfortable to hold, easy to operate, and built tough enough for long hunts. While it doesn't include an arm strap or a flashy interface, that minimalism actually works in its favor. You just switch it on, start sweeping, and enjoy the process of discovery without getting lost in settings. At its core, the Tracker 4 is about pure, uncomplicated treasure hunting. It's affordable, easy to learn, and proven to perform. A perfect choice for kids, hobbyists, or anyone who loves the thrill of finding something hidden beneath the surface. Number 3. Nocta Legend Metal Detector. If your idea of treasure hunting involves crashing waves and sandy beaches, the Nocta Legend Metal Detector should be on your radar. Fully waterproof up to 5 meters, it's built to handle both land and sea adventures with ease. Its vibration alert system lets you know when you've hit something underwater, and a dedicated beach mode fine-tunes detection for wet sand and salt water, a feature many detectors still struggle with. What makes the Nocta Legend stand out is its smart balance between power and usability. The Ferrocheck indicator clearly distinguishes valuable finds from junk metal, while the intuitive display gives you instant feedback without overwhelming you with information. It even adapts its frequencies automatically to minimize interference, keeping your searches precise and efficient. The design is rugged and professional, built to endure long days outdoors while remaining comfortable to handle. Its rechargeable battery and Bluetooth connectivity make it even more modern and convenient. No cords, no constant battery swaps. Whether you're searching for lost rings at the beach or relics hidden in the dirt, the Nocta Legend combines durability, precision, and ease of use in one versatile package. It's a true all-terrain detector built for explorers who want to dig deeper and go further. Number 2. Garrett Ace 300 Metal Detector. If you're ready to start treasure hunting and want a detector that's simple, accurate, and fun to use, the Garrett Ace 300 is the perfect entry point. This versatile mid-range detector delivers professional features in a lightweight, beginner-friendly package. Ideal for anyone who wants to dig right in without a steep learning curve. The Ace 300 comes with 5 search modes to help you zero in on exactly what you're looking for, along with adjustable frequencies that reduce interference from power lines or nearby detectors. Its 7 by 10-inch waterproof coil means you can explore beaches, riverbanks, and lakesides without worry. Despite being powerful, it weighs under 3 pounds and adjusts easily in length, making long hunts comfortable. Garrett includes everything you need to get started: clear sound headphones, a protective cover, and a coil guard. A thoughtful kit that's ready straight out of the box. The intuitive display and smart audio tones give you clear feedback about what's hiding below, and the built-in pinpoint function helps you lock onto targets with impressive precision. Reliable, lightweight, and surprisingly advanced for its price, the Garrett Ace 300 brings the excitement of metal detecting to everyone. Whether you're searching for jewelry, coins, or hidden relics, it's a beginner's detector that feels anything but basic. Number 1. Minelab Equinox 900 Metal Detector. If you're serious about treasure hunting, especially chasing gold, the Minelab Equinox 900 is the detector that truly raises the bar. Built for professionals but intuitive enough for ambitious beginners, it's a premium tool that blends power, precision, and versatility in one sleek package. Unlike most detectors, the Equinox 900 features dual gold modes, fine-tuned for both standard and difficult terrain. Whether you're exploring mineral-rich soil or hunting near rocky ground, it maintains accuracy and depth that few models can match. Combined with multi-frequency technology, it automatically adapts to your environment, maximizing detection performance wherever you search. Beyond gold, it comes with multiple terrain presets, customizable discrimination patterns, and thoughtful touches like vibration alerts, a built-in flashlight, and rechargeable power for long days outdoors. Its construction feels solid and premium, weather-resistant, durable, and ready for any challenge. Yes, it's the priciest model on the list, but the performance absolutely justifies it. For anyone looking to move from hobbyist to serious detectorist, the Minelab Equinox 900 isn't just a purchase. It's an investment in every discovery waiting beneath your feet. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best metal detectors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gear guides and outdoor discovery tech every week. Which one caught your eye? The budget-friendly starter kit or the pro-level detector built for serious finds? Tell us in the comments, and happy hunting!